people talking. Like,
yeah, she has like a good audience, and I was like, you should be doing this more often because she doesn't usually do it. She was like, oh yeah, I definitely am gonna.
I don't. All right.
So, yeah, lives are fun, especially when you have a client there.
Right.
You know. So.
Hi, are we live?
We are. This is our beautiful client, Lisa. She's trying on wigs during our 30% off Labor Day sale. Don't forget, guys, we are open on Labor Day, Monday from 10 to 3. So come on in and try on some wigs, catch our 30% off sale. That's 30% off of everything. So if you've been waiting to custom make, to get a unit custom made, you see how easy that was to put on? Right now would be the time to get that custom wig because everything is 30% off. This is, let me look at the unit number. This is unit number 317. This unit is 317. It is a 24-inch straight unit and full lace. So you can find all the details on this at magichaircompany.com. Can we see that hairline?
Yes, let's get up close.
Beautiful, beautiful. So check out this hairline here, guys. If this cap was on, we can just adjust it. We can change the part. It is a really, really natural unit here. This is unit number 317. And we would just simply cut the lace for you. We can put some curls in it. We can show you how it fits. We'll show you the inside cap construction. We can put some highlights in this unit for you guys. This is definitely high quality hair. Our units will last you a minimum of 2 years. We do offer repairs here at Magic Hair Company. We offer washing and conditioning services, and we can definitely put some curls in that unit, put some layering into it. We have a salon right here so we can install your unit where you just need to come washed and with dry hair, and we'll braid you down and install your unit. Whether you want it glued down, sewn down, or just style it and put on. We do have parking directly in front of the store right here, so you don't have to worry about parking. It is metered parking at $125 an hour, and we'll definitely take care of your meter for you, no problem. Don't forget to check out our hair care product line.
I feel sexy. It's very classy. Very sexy. It feels soft, healthy, easy, light. It's wonderful.
Yay.
And it touches my booty.
Hey. Tati, can you come show us the hairline on this unit and change the part? Show everybody how easily that is done. How does this cat fit? Shake your head. Does it slide?
Not at all. It's secure. It's not too tight. It's perfectly secure. Comfortable. It's breathes really well. It just feels right.
Perfect.
It feels right.
So we're gonna show you guys how we can very easily change the part here. And pull the lace to the hairline here. So that's how we can change the part. And Lisa, just pull the lace so the unit fits all the way up.
Right here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Start there.
Keep pulling a little bit more. There we go. And we can just cut the lace for you guys and make sure the unit fits properly and show you how to take it on and off. Okay.
But it's reality.
Yay! Okay, let's try on something new. Which would you like to try on next?
Yeah. Well, I like extremes, so something extreme.
Tati, what do you suggest?
Oh, okay, nice.
let's see that inside cap construction on here.
Yes.
So we have this band here for security. We have this comb underneath. All of our units definitely have this Magic Hair Company label here. There's combs on either side. And then we have this mesh right here that prevents you from having to wear another cap underneath. Hey, Shelly. I remember that girl. She bought a wig when I was picking mine up. Yes, she's been here before. There we go.
Ooh, this is pretty. Whoa. Look at this. This is luxurious. Look at this. Wow. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Your outfit is so good. I don't want to take it off.
I love this coloring too.
Oh, yeah, I like this.
Oh, this is really pretty. I don't think I've ever tried one on this color.
Not that long.
No, yeah, that's true. That's straight. This is really pretty. Whoa. This is gorgeous, though. Gorgeous. Beautiful. Wonderful.
Come on in, guys. We can custom make you a unit. We can help you get medical reimbursement. We can customize your cap size. We can customize your color. And we can do your installation all in the same place, right here at Magic Hair Company. We're located at 8638 Washington Boulevard here in the Culver City Art District.
All your hair dreams can come true.
That's right.
Can I get some? I want to get some videos about
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, guys, thank you into our live today. We are still having our 30% off sale for Labor Day, and we are open on Labor Day from 10 to 3 p.m. So come on in, get your Labor Day wig. Everything's 30% off. If you're shopping online, the code is MHC30. Let us know if you guys have any questions. Woo! And our product line is on sale as well. Usually it's excluded, but you can definitely pick up our signature hair care shampoo, conditioner, curl definer, and edge tamer. Let us know if you guys have any questions. The wefted hair is on sale as well. You know we have the best raw Indian wefted hair, and we are the best wig maker around. All right, guys, we will see you soon. Love you. Bye.